Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Love Story on the flute. First, ensure you hold the instrument properly, balancing it with your left hand and right thumb. Next, familiarize yourself with the fundamental fingerings for the notes C, D, E, F, G, A, and B. Developing strong breath support is crucial for producing clear, sustained tones throughout the piece. We will cover these foundational elements to set you up for success. Now, let's tackle the melody. Begin by dividing the song into smaller, more digestible sections, perhaps 2 to 4 measures at a time. Concentrate on playing each note with precise rhythm and its correct duration. Utilizing a metronome set to a moderate tempo, like 60 to 80 beats per minute, will help you maintain a steady pulse and improve your timing significantly. To truly bring Love Story to life, focus on adding expression. Experiment with varying your breath speed and pressure to create dynamic shifts, moving from soft piano passages to louder forte sections. Incorporating a gentle vibrato will add warmth and a professional quality to your tone. Think about the emotional journey of the music and let that guide your interpretation. Consistent practice is key to mastering this piece. Aim for several short, focused sessions each week, perhaps 15 to 20 minutes long, rather than one long session. Recording yourself playing can provide invaluable feedback, helping you pinpoint areas needing improvement. Finally, performing for friends or family will build your confidence and prepare you for sharing your beautiful music.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.